Welcome to Beautyistic, the place where we dive deep into the world of beauty and personal care. Today, we have something that can elevate your skincare routine to the next level, the Blackhead Remover Pimple Popper Toolkit. This 6-piece professional stainless steel set promises to help you tackle blackheads and pimples at home with precision and ease. Let's take a closer look at whether this toolkit lives up to the hype. This set includes 6 high-quality, stainless steel tools designed to help you remove blackheads and comedones from your skin without causing harm. The set features textured grips for easy handling, along with angled heads that reach those hard-to-get spots around your face, especially in areas like the nose and chin. The tools are crafted with durability in mind, ensuring a long-lasting and effective solution to your skincare needs. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. I've used these tools over the course of a few weeks to see how they hold up during routine use. Setting up was easy. Everything comes neatly packed in a sleek leather case, which is not only stylish but also practical for traveling. The ergonomic, anti-slip handles made it comfortable to use, giving me full control during extractions. The precision with which I was able to target blackheads around my nose and chin was impressive. Whether you're dealing with stubborn blackheads or minor pimples, these tools help me achieve clearer skin with minimal effort. As for the pros, the build quality of these tools is fantastic. The stainless steel feels sturdy and is easy to clean, which is crucial when you're dealing with skincare tools. The textured grips were especially helpful for preventing slippage, and the angled heads allowed me to target even the most difficult spots. The leather case is a nice touch, making storage and travel a breeze. On the flip side, if you've never used extractor tools before, there's a bit of a learning curve. You'll need to ensure you're using the right amount of pressure to avoid irritation, and some tools might feel a little too sharp for sensitive skin, so make sure to go slow. So, how does it stack up in terms of value for money? Given the quality of the materials and the precision the kit offers, I'd say it's definitely worth the price. You're getting professional-grade tools that can save you from frequent salon visits, plus the travel case adds an extra layer of convenience. When compared to other tools on the market, this kit strikes a great balance between price and performance. In terms of alternatives, there are cheaper options, but you might have to compromise on build quality or precision. While there are plenty of budget-friendly blackhead removal kits, they often lack the durability or ergonomics that this one offers. If you're looking for something reliable and built to last, this kit is a solid investment. The build quality is top-notch. The stainless steel is rust-resistant, and the tools feel like they will hold up well over time. I haven't had any issues with them becoming dull or damaged after multiple uses, which is a great sign of durability. I didn't have any direct customer support interactions with this product, but based on the design and quality of the tools, it's clear that the brand takes pride in its products. You can always reach out to the seller if needed, but based on my experience, it seems like the product is pretty straightforward and doesn't require much troubleshooting. To wrap up, the Blackhead Remover Pimple Popper Toolkit is an excellent addition to any skincare routine. It's effective, easy to use, and durable, with a convenient travel case for on-the-go care. While beginners might take a little time to get used to the tools, once you get the hang of them, they deliver impressive results. I definitely recommend this set to anyone looking for a professional solution to blackheads and pimples at an affordable price. Before we finish, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in picking up this toolkit, you'll find the link in the comments box below. If you've tried this kit, feel free to share your experience or ask any questions you might have. Goodbye till next time, and remember, beauty is all about feeling confident and glowing. Take it from Beautyistic.